Sometimes it's all about class and mass. The new EDGETEQ S-800 profiLine from HOMAG is one such case. The solution for high-performance edge trimming brings even more momentum to furniture production, ideal for order-by-order production.
The most important thing with this new batch size 1 cell is the interlinking of the high-speed mechanical issues and the new software topics. We are collecting the parts so we can transport 2 parts with one transport, and this is the most important thing.
The new series has a jointing trimming unit, a gluing unit, and a magazine with 24 rolls. It is also equipped with a laserTec unit and high-performance servo units for post-processing. Thanks to a new workpiece feeding system with a feed rate of up to 35 meters per minute, the number of workpieces per shift increases significantly once again. Thanks to the setup in the gap function, productivity is increased even further. For this purpose, the controller calculates the break required for changeover and locks the machine in feed for as long as necessary. This makes running to empty unnecessary. And the new SF25 Servo grooving unit also reduces setup times when changing to different groove widths. In addition, the EDGETEQ S-800 profiLine impresses with numerous other features and details, from reduced noise emissions to improved lighting and operability, to easier access to separating and cleaning agents. At Ligna, HOMAG presented its high-performance edge processing solution in combination with the laserTec C500 return conveyor. Even if the parts have to be turned 180 degrees for further processing, the return conveyor achieves the full performance at any time. It even enhances it with intelligent gathering and separation of parts. The 2 components are connected by perfectly matching mechanical and electrical interfaces and by the comprehensive control system WoodFlex. With up to 35 parts per minute, performance increases of up to 100% are possible.